Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 18th. Hopefully you're having a great day. In my journey to 250k, I'm at 146,956. So down by about 2.38%, which is about 3,500. For the week, we're down by 0.59, which is about 874. For the month, down by about 12.86, which is about 21,600. 3 months, we are up by about 6.14%, which is about 8,500. And for the year, we're up by about 69%, which is about 60,000. So I wanted to touch base on dividend play that we've mentioned in the channel a while back. Wanted to kind of circle back and just put it in your radar. Ticker symbol is PSEC, Prospect Capital, currently at 7.78, down by about 0.13%. For the week, up by about 4.15%. For the month, up by about 6.5%. 3 months, up by about 40%. For the year, up by about 70%. So this is a company I want to put in you guys' radar because I think if you in investment journey, you need some dividend plays. And for the beginners, I think the problem is usually getting a dividend play that is kind of, let me say, cheap, not so expensive, because these plays don't really grow that much. But this is a unique company in the sense that it has grown over 70% last year, which is pretty good. So if you took like 1,000, put it there, you have 70% return, which is about 1,700 total, and I think that is pretty decent. So let me show you what I have currently. I have 205.785913 shares, average cost of $5.06. I have my dividend reinvestment activated, so DRIP. So make sure you also have that on your end for any dividend plays that you have. I think this is a good way for passive income for those folks who want to just get some money every month. So this is a monthly dividend paying company. So you can see my total return is about 53%. And for those people who don't know what this company deals with, I'll just read real quick what they do so that you have an idea. So Prospect Capital Corp is a business development company. The firm engages in lending to and investing in private businesses. It also involves in generating current income and long-term capital appreciation through debt and equity investment. The company was founded by Michael Grill PSEC on April 13, 2004, and it's headquartered in New York. The listed name for PSEC is Prospect Capital Common Stock. So what this company does is also interesting because they had some news that they put out a few days ago. So let's check the news. And it's kind of jargon. If you don't understand, I'll just kind of simplify it so that it makes sense. So this is on the 16th, 2 days ago. Prospect Capital Corporation announces results of cash tender offer for any and all its outstanding 5.875 senior notes due 2023. I'll briefly read and kind of expound a little bit, just a quick overview so that you don't get lost in the weeds. So Prospect Capital Corporation today announced the results of the previous announced cash tender offer to purchase any and all of its outstanding notes listed below. The tender offer was made pursuant to an offer to purchase date March the 9th, 2021, which set for the terms and conditions to the tender offer as of the previously announced expiration time of 5 p.m. New York time, March 15th, according to information provided by DF King Co. Inc. So what does this mean? So it's like they know they're giving you 5.5%, but their hope is actually to make almost 9 to 10-12% on bond money. So how they do the financing is that's how they make the money and then just kick it back to you guys when you invest. This is kind of good news for them. We can see that the company is actually making strides into making sure that they are able to get money for you guys by being aggressive in terms of bond investment. And you can see right now they have good rates. That's why the stocks are down. The bond treasury yields are kind of more than 1.6%. So when they have some money over there which is a bit safer, and in other lending avenues, then they have more money to give you guys. So this is a play I wanted to make sure you guys check it out. I'll be introducing some option trading videos in a couple of weeks. A reminder, this is not financial advice, it's just for entertainment purposes only. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel. If you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and let me know if you have any PSEC shares or which is your favorite dividend paying company. Be green, be safe. See you in the next one. Bye.